back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys a whole lot for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell on the side so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And today I'm going to be doing a quick DIY. I'm going to be showing you how to attach BOAS on a fabric or on a dress. I'm just going to show you how to attach it, and so they're also called ruffles. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It is really simple, so you could see the picture up above. So that's what we're going to try to. I'm going to try to show you how to create this. So I already have a basic bodice that I just cut out and then just inserted the dart. It's an off shoulder, because you can see from what we have here, it's an off shoulder. So in attaching this, so what was basically done, so I'm just going to do a little quick explanation before we continue. What was done, the ruffles that was attached, or the BOAS that was attached to it, was actually divided into like 6 parts. What I'm going to explain to you why I said 6 parts. They were ruffled in 6 bundles. Yeah, I think that's a better way. In 6 bundles. One bundle on one sleeve, another one bundle on the other sleeve. That's 2. And then the front bodice, the top part of the front bodice has one bundle here, and then another one, and then the back has 2 also. So that is why I said in 6 bundles, or 6 bunch rather, since it's something that is like flower, so I think we should call it a bunch. So that's basically what was done. So I'm going to show you. So if you are going to be creating out this look for your dress, you could use any fabric of your choice. The good fabric for you to use, you could use a doll face satin, or you could use a shiny satin, bridal satin. You could make use of a mercury fabric. You could make use of a duchess, yeah, and then you could make use of an organza. So this will really bring out it will make the end results and look beautiful. So today I'm going to be making use of this fabric to illustrate to you. So what I have here, you are going to measure, depends on how wide you actually want your BOAS or your ruffles to be. So that is what you are going to use to measure out. So for this, I have about 5 inches here. So when you fold, it's going to give you 2.5, and at the end of the day, after stitching, it's going to be like 2 inches. That's unfold. And this, you could decide to do this in 2 ways. You could decide to sew and turn. You could decide to sew, stitch, and then turn. And if for this kind of look, you could make use of about 5 yards or 4 yards of satin. That is what will make it to be as full as that. And then you could decide to sew and turn. You could just decide to sew and turn, or you could decide to do what I did here for this. I'm just going to show you. You could just stitch them like this. Just stitch, and then you join all of them together. So I already have long strap here that I stitched together, and then you join them together, and then you use your overlock seam to lock out the edges. So we're going to just go straight to this tutorial without much wasting of time. So you are going to fold the center of your fabric like this. So this is the center, and then this is the center. So we're going to divide it into 2, because for the front we are going to be adding, you are going to add 2 bunch that like I said. So you are going to take the center, this is the center, and then for this you are going to fold this. You are going to try and get the center of this point. So this, in getting the center, you could decide to just do it this way, and then you get out the center. So this is the center of this part. So this is the center of this part, or you could decide to measure, and then we're just going to start attaching. So in attaching this, you are going to leave about 1 inch that you are going to use to stitch and to the down part of your skirt. And then for the neckline part, you could decide to sew and turn before doing this, but if you do that, you are going to have the inside of your work is really going to be rough. So I would advise you leave about half an inch or quarter of an inch that you are going to use to turn the neckline point, and then before you start. So we're going to start and doing this right now, and then I'm going to take it to my machine, and then we're going to start placing them on the machine. We're just going to go round until we fill up this part and then fill up the other part also. So you're going to make sure you stitch all of your straps. Make sure that they are on a very long straight line. So for this, you could decide to do a map on how you are going to do this, or how you are going to ruffle it. So you could just decide to just mark out how you are going to ruffle it round to make it easier for you. You are going to choose however you are going to do it, but all you are going to do is that you are going to ruffle them using about a 1 inch and difference, or half an inch difference. So I'm making lines here. I'll leave the hem, that's the side seam. I'm not putting that part. So I'm going to start right now. I'm going to start from this point like this. When I get to this point, I'll come back. So I'm going to start creating my pleats. And another way for you to cut your fabric, that's your satin, you can decide to cut it in a flounce form. So that will give you so this I just cut on straight form. So you could cut on flounce form. I think flounce form will really give you a better result. So you're just going to be pleating it. So I'm going to turn it now. So once I get to that part, I'm going to take it again along this line. So I'm going to take it down along all of my lines that I made. So I'm turning it towards this way now. I'm just going to continue like this, go up and down, round and round. I'm just going to keep doing it that way until I fill the whole part up, the whole side up. I'm just trying to as much as I can to manipulate it. So I'm going to continue now. Okay, welcome back guys. So you could see at the end of the day, this is what we have. So you could see how beautiful it is looking. So like I said, for better result, I think you should cut your fabric, your satin or organza, cut it in flounce form. So with that, it's really going to be fuller than what we have here. And then after doing this on one side, you're going to repeat this side. So all you are going to do, you are just going to push this on this side, and then you are going to start placing the second one from this part. So you are just going to use your hand to push it in like this, and then you are going to do the second one. When you do the second one, it's going to fill this part, and then you are going to do the back, the two parts of the back. And then for the one of the sleeve, I've done something like that on my channel before for a blouse. I fixed it on the sleeve, and I showed how to attach it. So I'm going to drop the link on the description box for you. So once you watch it, you know how to do the sleeve part, and then you attach it to your bodice, to an off shoulder bodice like this also. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please, I would appreciate if you will hit on the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video, and God bless you. Bye.